Saturn, with its amazing rings and size, is one of the most fascinating planetary gems. It is the sixth planet in our solar system and has an average distance from the Sun of 890 million miles. Due to this, Saturn is located beyond the asteroid belt in the outer regions, placing it in the realm of the gas giant planets. It stands as the second biggest planet in our solar system and has a diameter 10 times the size of planet Earth. Saturn is one of the lightest planets we know, being mostly composed of lightweight gases like hydrogen and helium. Because of this, it is the only planet we know to be less dense than water. This means that Saturn would float if we could do such an experiment and drop it into an ocean. Let's talk about the biggest storm on this planet. Located at its north pole, the Great White Spot. This event occurs about every 30 Earth years, and these storms typically start as small disturbances in Saturn's atmosphere and gradually grow into enormous systems that can encircle the entire planet. They are characterized by bright white cloud formations and can last for several months. This storm is twice the size of Earth and is shaped in an almost perfect hexagon. Each of the 6 sides is believed to be the result of jet streams, which all encircle a huge hurricane. As we all know, Saturn is not a good environment for the human species to thrive and exist at all, but some of its moons might be habitable. Saturn has a total of 50 confirmed moons, and all different from one another, which gives us a hope that someday, in the faraway future, we could colonize another planet. Saturn's rings are a cosmic masterpiece, being one of the most complex in the solar system. They are primarily made of water ice, with traces of rocky material mixed in like comets, asteroids, and moons. The particles can range in size from being as small as dust to as big as mountains. One of the most significant milestones came with the invention of the telescope. In 1610, the Italian astronomer Galileo Galilei turned his telescope towards Saturn and made a groundbreaking discovery, after the ancient Greeks also observed Saturn and included it in their astronomical records as being a star. So, starting with the 17th century when telescopes were invented, scientists like Galileo Galilei, Christian Huygens, and Giovanni Cassini could take a much closer look at this fascinating planet. On October 15, 1997, the Cassini spacecraft was launched, and it embarked on a nearly 7-year journey through the solar system before reaching Saturn. One of its primary objectives was to study Saturn's rings and atmosphere, as well as its magnetosphere and the interactions with its moons. After more than 13 years in orbit around Saturn, Cassini's mission concluded with a dramatic series of orbits known as the grand finale, before ultimately plunging into the planet's atmosphere. Cassini's mission revolutionized our understanding of Saturn and its moons, providing a wealth of data that continues to be analyzed by scientists around the world. Its legacy has profoundly impacted planetary science and our exploration of the outer solar system. This was the story of Saturn, a planet of beauty, wonder, and endless possibility. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cosmic adventures.